Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks 101. In today's video, we're going to see how to connect local LLMs with IntelliJ and make your development experience smarter and faster using an amazing tool called Continue.dev. To demonstrate this, I'm using a very cool open source project called OpenHAB Core. It's a home automation platform, fully open source, Java-based, and perfect for this demo. Let's get started. First, open IntelliJ. Go to Settings, then search for Plugins. Click on Marketplace and search for Continue.dev. Install the plugin and click Apply. Once done, restart IntelliJ. Go to File, then click Invalidate Caches and Restart. This ensures IntelliJ loads everything fresh. Now, we need to make sure Ollama is running. If you haven't installed Ollama, check my previous video for the step-by-step guide. To start Ollama, open your terminal and run the command, Ollama serve. If it's already running, you will see a message saying it's in use. Also, in IntelliJ, you'll notice the Ollama icon at the top. That means it's working. Next, we'll install 3 types of models. 1, a text-based model for chatting. 2, an autocomplete model to help with code suggestions. 3, an embedding model to give code context. Use these commands to pull the models. Ollama, pull deepseek-coder : 1.3 B. Ollama, pull quen : 0.5 bi. Ollama, pull nomic - embed - text : I already have the Llama 3 model installed for chatting. Now I've added deepseek-coder for autocomplete and nomic embed text for embeddings. Choose models depending on your language. Next, let's configure Continue.dev. In IntelliJ, click on the Continue icon on the sidebar. Click on the 3 dots and choose Add Model. Here, you'll be setting up your config.yml file. This file will include the names and ports of the models you just downloaded. Once done, restart IntelliJ again. Go to File, then Invalidate Caches and Restart. Now, let's see how the chat model works. Open any file and go to the Continue sidebar. Select your model, like Llama 3. You can now ask something like, explain this HTTP service class. It will read the file and give you a plain language explanation. This is useful for understanding unknown or legacy code. Now let's understand how embedding models work. Now you can reference a file and chat with that particular context. Let's say, you can say here, give me a good naming for this method. You can see it has started giving results. So this is where the embedding model is useful. You can also do inline edits. Let's say, select a block of code and click Edit. Now you can say, add comments to this method, and it will do that instantly. Next, let's try autocomplete. Start typing in any method. After hitting Enter, suggestions will appear automatically. Press Tab to accept and continue. This works for variable declarations, method calls, loops, and more. And that's it. With Continue.dev and your local Ollama setup, you now have a completely free, offline, and powerful coding assistant. No need to pay for Copilot or cloud-based tools. Everything runs locally and securely. All config files and setup commands are in the description. If this was helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talks 101. Thanks for watching,